Many people have high blood sugar and don't realize it because the symptoms are subtle and easy to ignore. Feeling unusually tired after meals, craving sweets even when full, constant thirst, frequent urination, and slow healing cuts are all early warning signs. These symptoms are your body's way of signaling trouble with blood sugar management. High blood sugar can quietly cause damage for years before serious health issues appear. Recognizing these early signs gives you the chance to act before things get worse. It's not about fear, it's about awareness and taking control. Small changes now can have a big impact on your long-term health. High blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia, is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's most commonly caused by a combination of eating too many refined carbohydrates, like white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks, and not moving your body enough throughout the day. When we choose foods that are high in sugar and low in fiber, our bodies have to work extra hard to keep our blood sugar levels in check. Foods like white bread, pasta, and sugary drinks are digested quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar. These foods lack the fiber and nutrients that help slow down sugar absorption, so your bloodstream gets flooded with glucose all at once. Over time, regularly eating these foods can overwhelm your body's ability to manage sugar effectively. If you spend most of your day sitting, whether at a desk, on the couch, or in the car, your muscles don't get the chance to use up the sugar from your meals. Physical activity acts like a pump, helping your muscles absorb glucose for energy. Without movement, that sugar lingers in your bloodstream, putting extra stress on your body. To deal with this extra sugar, your pancreas releases more and more insulin, the hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells. But if this happens too often, your cells start to ignore insulin signals, a problem known as insulin resistance. This makes it even harder for your body to control blood sugar, and your pancreas has to work even harder, which can eventually wear it out. When your cells stop responding to insulin, sugar can't get where it's needed. Instead, it builds up in your blood, leading to conditions like prediabetes and, if left unchecked, type 2 diabetes. These conditions can develop slowly, often without obvious symptoms at first, making regular checkups and blood tests important for early detection. High blood sugar isn't just a number on a test, it can silently damage your body over time. Excess sugar in your blood can harm your blood vessels, nerves, and vital organs. This increases your risk for serious health problems, including heart disease, kidney failure, nerve damage, and vision loss. The effects can be long-lasting and sometimes irreversible if not managed early. The good news is that understanding what causes high blood sugar gives you the power to make positive changes. By learning about the foods you eat and how your daily habits affect your body, you can take steps to help your body manage sugar more effectively and reduce your risk of complications. Supporting your insulin and giving your pancreas a break is possible with simple lifestyle changes. Choosing whole grains, fresh fruits and vegetables, and lean proteins can help keep your blood sugar steady. Regular physical activity, even something as simple as a daily walk, can make a big difference in how your body uses sugar. Even small steps, like taking the stairs, drinking more water, or stretching during breaks, can add up to big improvements in your health. Every positive choice you make helps your body function better and lowers your risk for future problems. Prevention is always easier than treatment. By making healthy choices now, you can avoid the complications of high blood sugar and enjoy a better quality of life for years to come. Take action today. Your future self will thank you for protecting your health and well-being. Alongside healthy eating and movement, nature offers gentle support. A simple tea made from rosemary, fennel, ginger, and lemon can help your body manage blood sugar. This isn't a magic cure, but it's a powerful daily tool for better metabolic health. The ingredients work together to improve insulin response, reduce inflammation, and curb sugar cravings. Making and drinking this tea can become a calming, healthy ritual in your day. It's a small, enjoyable step toward more stable energy and better blood sugar control. Making this tea is easy and requires no special tools. Gather 1 sprig of rosemary, or 1 teaspoon dried, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, half a lemon, and 500 milliliters water. Boil the water, add rosemary and sliced ginger, and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove from heat, add fennel seeds, cover, and steep for 5 more minutes. Strain into a mug, then squeeze in the lemon juice. Drink while warm for best results. This simple process extracts the most benefit from each ingredient. Enjoy this tea as a daily act of self-care and support for your body. Each ingredient in this tea has a special role in supporting blood sugar balance. Rosemary boosts insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use sugar more effectively. Fennel seeds aid digestion, reduce sugar cravings, and help regulate glucose. Ginger improves insulin response, boosts metabolism, and fights inflammation. Lemon provides vitamin C and slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes after meals. Together, these ingredients work in harmony to support your metabolism and energy. This tea is more than a drink. It's a team of natural helpers for your health. Simple, accessible, and effective. Let's see how to use it safely. When you begin incorporating this tea into your daily routine, you might notice some positive changes. Many people report feeling less tired or sluggish after meals, and you may also find that your cravings for sugary snacks or desserts start to decrease. This is a sign that your body is responding well to the tea's natural ingredients, which are designed to support your overall well-being and help maintain balanced energy levels throughout the day. For the best possible results, it's recommended to drink a cup of this tea about 20 to 30 minutes before your main meals, such as lunch or dinner. This timing allows the tea to start working in your system before you eat, helping your body process your meal more efficiently and potentially reducing post-meal fatigue. If you're new to this tea, start slowly. Begin with just half a cup before one meal each day for the first few days. This gentle introduction gives your body time to adjust to the new ingredients and helps you monitor how you feel. Sip your tea slowly and mindfully, paying attention to how your body responds. Everyone's system is different, so taking it easy at first is important. If you have any leftover tea, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. However, for the freshest taste and maximum benefits, it's always best to brew a new cup each time you want to drink it. To truly experience the benefits, make drinking this tea a consistent part of your daily routine. Try to enjoy it every day for up to 3 months, as regular use is key to seeing lasting results. After 3 months, it's important to give your body a break. Take a 2-week pause from the tea before starting another cycle. This helps your system reset and ensures the tea remains effective. Remember, this tea is meant to support your health and well-being as part of a balanced lifestyle. It can be a wonderful addition to your daily habits, especially when combined with nutritious meals and regular activity. However, it's important to understand that this tea is not a replacement for any prescribed medication or medical treatment you may be following. If you have diabetes, are taking blood thinners, or have any other chronic health conditions, always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before adding this tea to your routine. They can help you determine if it's safe and appropriate for your specific needs. Pay close attention to your body's signals. If you ever feel unwell, experience discomfort, or notice any unusual symptoms after drinking the tea, stop using the tea immediately and seek advice from a medical professional. Your health is always the top priority. By listening to your body and following these guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of this tea safely and confidently, knowing that your safety and well-being come first. This tea works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. It's not a magic fix, but a gentle support for your daily choices. When you combine it with mindful habits, you can truly transform your well-being over time. Try eating vegetables first at meals, filling your plate with a variety of colors and textures. Vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that nourish your body and help you feel full and satisfied. Next, add a source of lean protein like chicken, fish, or tofu, and healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, or olive oil. These foods help keep your energy steady and support muscle health. Save carbohydrates like bread, rice, or pasta for last. Eating carbs after fiber and protein slows down sugar absorption, which can help keep your blood sugar more stable throughout the day. Move your body after eating. Even a gentle stroll can make a difference. Physical activity helps your body use up the sugar from your meal, making it easier to maintain healthy levels. Even a 10-minute walk after a meal can help lower blood sugar and boost your mood. It's a simple habit that fits into any schedule, no matter how busy you are. Prioritize good sleep and manage stress, as both are essential for your body's balance. Quality rest allows your body to recover, while stress management keeps your hormones in check. Both sleep and stress have a direct impact on your blood sugar levels. When you're well rested and calm, your body can function at its best. Simple habits like deep breathing, listening to your favorite music, or taking a few moments to pause and reflect can help you relax and reset. Or spend time in nature. Walk among trees, feel the sun on your face, or simply enjoy a cup of tea outdoors. Start with the tea, add a short walk, and build from there. Small steps add up. Each small change is a step toward better health. Write down your goals, celebrate your progress, and remember that every healthy choice counts. Be patient and kind to yourself. Progress takes time. It's normal to have ups and downs, but what matters is your commitment to keep moving forward. By combining this tea with smart habits, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Consistency is key, and every effort brings you closer to your goals. You're building a strong foundation for lifelong wellness, creating routines that support your mind and body for years to come. Remember, you have the power to make a real difference in your health, one mindful choice at a time.